OMH stock analysis and OMH stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to play and trade this. I am the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Ohmyhome Limited, it's just melting down. You know, first of all, I'm not trying to be I'm trying to be kind of not nice, and with this in mind, that just goes to show it's still one heck of a bearish market for me. I mean, I don't know if it's honesty or whatever, but like, I'm very upfront, and this for me, it's nothing but a bearish market and just a melting ticker. I'm not sure if I have previous receipts in the Discord about this. Yeah, sure I do. That was in 2023. There were some long predictions, but currently it's just melting, and it's been doing this for such a long time. The only thing that's not going to be bearish for me, it's if I see proper breaks above 375. But we're not close to that, so I'm just saying, if I see some sort of a double break, then I'm definitely willing to sell. And I will, of course, continue to keep you updated. So if you want to, if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.